This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Hume. Located in a highly desirable Southeast Cape Coral neighborhood, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home welcomes you in. The beautiful floor plan provides an open kitchen, dining and living area with vaulted ceilings. Open sliders off the living area and step out to your private lanai. This home also features a split floor plan providing privacy for the master bedroom. Newer stainless steel appliances, updated bathrooms and new tile floors throughout are just a few of the extensive list of features this home provides. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below.